Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at our market leading stocks for Tuesday, July 15th, 2014. Got kind of a mixed picture here in the Nasdaq patch. Nasdaq did break out above 39.18, but really didn't do too much to really add on to it, and we're seeing that in the scans here. Got a volume bump in Amazon. We've got an open close deviation in Tesla. But really nothing too much else sticking out here. A lot of these stocks are going to wind up playing out below their opens. Netflix does have an upside CPS, and that one could be one to watch on the long side tomorrow. Moving on to the financials, a lot of contra candles to the downside here. Citigroup's got a contra candle and a downside RPS on a volume bump, so that should be played on the short side tomorrow. MetLife has a volume bump. Morgan Stanley's close to it and has a contra candle also. Moving on to the energy names, most of these names are really low on volume, except for PBR. That was strong from the get-go here on a gap this morning. Do have a contra candle in RHACI. Moving on to the generals, a little bit to the sell side here. HPQ right now is a little bit conflicted, but it does have a volume bump that'll straighten itself out before the close. Best Buy's got a volume bump and a very nasty candle on the daily chart. Housing names, very light volume today. A couple on the buy side, a couple on the sell side, but not really giving us too much to dig into. Transports are more for sale than to buy. CSX has a volume bump and a contra candle to the downside. If on the commodities, a lot of action on the gold names. Gold was down about $30 today, so most of the gold names are fairly weak. AA's got a downside contra candle. This one's not a gold stock and does have a volume bump. RHACH has an RPS to the downside and a big volume bump, so watch out for that one tomorrow. U.S. Steel is getting absolutely destroyed today, down 5% after being a really good performer the last couple of weeks. So that one could be beginning something here. Maybe need a resting day tomorrow, but keep an eye on that for midweek. Alright folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.